Hello viewers, welcome to Better Maths Academy. So in this lesson, I want to show you how to solve questions like this. Okay, so when you have a problem like this, what you are supposed to do is to make one of the variable here subject of the formula and then slot it into this next equation and then solve whatever you have. Okay, so let's begin. So let's call this equation 1 and let's call this equation 2. From 1, making y the subject. So y is equal to 10, move this x across, it becomes minus x. I'm going to use 10 minus x to replace y in this equation number 2. So this becomes x bracket. So instead of me to write this y, I'll write 10 minus x. 10 minus x equal to 24. So expanding this bracket, it becomes 10x minus x times x squared equal to 24. Now I want to take everything here inside. So when I take everything here inside, it means nothing is left here. That means 0 will be left here. So this becomes 0 is equal to, I've taken this x squared inside, I've taken this minus x squared inside, it becomes x squared. Take this plus 10x inside, it becomes minus 10x. Then 24 was there already, becomes plus 24. Okay, so this is quadratic equation. So rearranging this, it becomes x squared minus 10x plus 24 equal to 0. Plus 24 times x squared will give us plus 24 x squared. This is product. And the middle term here is minus 10x. So this one will be for the sum. So we are looking for two numbers that when we multiply them, we get plus 24. And when we add them or subtract them, we get minus 10. So those two numbers are going to be 6 and 4 because 6 times 4 will give us 24 and 6 plus 4 will give us 10. So since this is minus, we are going to use minus here, minus here. So because minus times minus will give us plus, and then minus 6 minus 4 will give us minus 10x. So the next thing is to attach x here, attach x here. So I'm going to replace this middle term here with the whole of this. And this becomes x squared minus 6x minus 4x plus 24 equal to 0. So factorizing this in pairs, so what is common between here and here is x. Bracket, what remains here is x minus 6. Then this is minus 4 outside. What remains here is x minus 6. Mind you, because minus times minus will give us plus equal to 0. So seeing this bracket and this bracket are the same, it means you are correct. So factoring it out, it becomes x minus 6. Open bracket, what remains here is x minus 4. This 4 equal to 0. Alright, so this implies that this first bracket, x minus 6 is equal to 0. X is equal to 6. And the second bracket, x minus 4 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 4. So since you have gotten x to be equal to 6 and x to be equal to 4, we can use this equation or this equation to find the corresponding value of y. So let's try it here. We can say, so when x is equal to 6, so let's use this second equation. It means that 6y is equal to 24. Y is equal to 24 divided by 6. So this is equal to 4. So it means when x is equal to 6, y is equal to 4. Let's check if it is true. X 6, y 4. So 6 plus 4, 10. Alright. And then 6 times 4, 24. And that is correct too. Okay, if you also want to find the corresponding value of y when s is equals to 4, of course, when s is equals to 4, y will become 24 divided by 4. That will give us 6. And if you check 6 and 4, we'll still get the same answer. So it means that when s is equals to 6, y is equals to 4. And when s is equals to 4, y is equals to 6. And that works perfectly. So I believe that if you follow this lesson from the beginning to this point, you understood everything and you can solve similar questions like this. So thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.